Wyldecrest Park is one of the UK's largest park home operators, with many idyllic locations throughout the UK. Chapel Farm Park is one of those, which has stunning views over rolling countryside and adjoins its sister park, Surrey Hills. Many of the homes have their own car parking space, and the park is designed to afford its residents the experience of living in a rural environment and yet still being close to local amenities. Chapel Farm Park is located in the village of Normandy, in the extreme west of Surrey and a short distance from the Hampshire border. This park is described as Guildford's little secret, as it is hidden from public view, yet is only a short distance from town, with the nearest shops being approximately a 3-mile drive and including all local amenities such as a pharmacy, supermarket, hair salon and much more. Wyldecrest Park homes are designed exclusively for the over 50s, semi-retired and fully retired couples and singles. We are proud to offer you a new lifestyle with reduced living costs in a friendly and relaxed environment. All new homes come with a 10-year warranty and prices start from £69,995. We also have guaranteed finance packages available and a unique part exchange scheme subject to terms and conditions. Call us today or visit our website for more information or to arrange a park visit.